Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to enable the offline file syncs. Like if user wants to work from home and wants to update some files offline for the network drive, then how can he do this? So normally I have created a disk so in the server on the server. So if I go to computer management. So I go to disk management. So let's see if this one is to data E drive is created. A volume now is go to E drive. Go there. I want to go to E drive. I create a new folder. Home drive. I want to share with special people. I select everyone. And everyone has read write permission for the share. Then click share. So let's see. Click the second. Properties. Sharing. Go to advanced sharing. Go there, add one. I put a new drive name at home drive dollar. This means people want to see this drive in the list because there's a dollar in the end. So just click OK, and then permissions. Still, everyone should have full control. This, for the share, yeah. Normally, there are two type of the permission for the shared drive. One is the shared permission is normally we give everyone full permission for the share, but for the security we can set up the permission as well. So we just set this one, apply. So we advance share, clear share. We want to remove this home drive one because we create another one. So just okay. So now it's just one like this. So we go to the security. We want the everyone. We don't want everyone have full access. And modify. I create a folder now. Then I go to the Active Directory. Go to Active Directory. Edition here. So if I go to users, I select all user. Properties. I go to profile. I want to set the home folder for these users. I just connect to the like H drive. I put the folder name. Check. I put the full path home drive which I created before, and I put the percentage username. Then it will create a folder under this network drive we share drive we created before. I just click apply username. Okay. Okay, if you go back to the folder, you drive home drive, you see each user has a home drive created now. So let's go back to the Windows 10 computer login as a user. So I go back to Windows 10 computer. I just want to I want to sign out, sign back in, sign out. So if I sign back in, I go to the File Explorer and then I go to Computer. I should see there is a H drive here. So say H drive is in the list. But if I wanted to make H drive offline, no offline, always available offline. So I also wanted to go to the control panel. Go there. Go to the sync center. Click manage offline files, and then you see the offline is already enabled. You see disable offline files is already, you can disable offline, but because I want to make files offline, I just already set the folder to always available offline. So if I want to go there, go to the folder computer, I go to this one. You see this folder is different from the others. There's a sync in the in the shortcut of the drive. So if I want to open a file, just click, just put test file. I save notes. So I got the H computer. Now I want to, because this drive is on the server, so I wanted to shut down the server, see what happens. So if I go to the server, I go to here, go to Hyper-V management. So I want to shut down the server, just save. So you can see, we can see this server is, it's in September, this means it's part of. So if I go to the computer again, go there, CMD, open. So I pin. So I can't pin it because I just powered the server off. So let's go to the File Explorer again. I go to this PC. So you see the public folder is there's a cross. Here I can't open this one now because the server is powered off. So not accessible. But if I go to this user H drive, I'm still able to access it because I make it offline, available offline. Then I want to edit the file. I just open this file again. I can just add more content. So I add more files, more content in the file, and then I can save it. I can even create a new file in it. I just create another one. So I save now. Because I make this network drive always available offline, then I can just work offline. Like when I work from home, I still can access the files, and then I can also update the files from in the folder. So let's see what happens if the server is online again. So let's see, put the server back online. So let's go there, just start again. So if we go back to the server, we connect to the server. So for this David Smith, I just go David Smith. So you see these two files are synchronized to the server automatically after the server is back online. So this means if you take the computer back to office and not connect to the office network, it will synchronize all the files back to the server automatically. If I go to the server, I should see go to the server. I should see the file is already updated. You see the second file is already updated, and also this one is also updated. Yeah, thank you. That's all I show you today. Thanks.